Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you the Instagram latest update. So here is a new update roll out by Instagram, that is Edit app by Instagram. So let me just show you what does this app means. Just go to Instagram, and after going to Instagram, click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then here you just need to scroll down, and then here you'll get one option, that is edits. So what does it mean? I'm going to show you. Create video with powerful editing. It will redirect you to App Store or Google Play Store. So just click on install option. This is an officially edit app by Instagram. Okay, so now here what you can do is that you don't need to download Cupcake, VN, InShot, or any kind of third-party application to edit your Instagram reels. You can edit the videos for Instagram here only. It's just amazing. Let me just show you the lookup of this app. Just hold on. So guys, it's done. Click on open option, and then the first interface is like this. The logo is something amazing. Here you can see, just click on open. Here you can just connect with your you need to connect with your Instagram account. Okay, so it will take some few moments. Here just click on join edits. Okay, here you can see it's kind of look like the Instagram app only. If I edit something, you can just like you can just go to edit section, hit plus icon, and then you can use this. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.